Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where mouse cursor won't stay permanent in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for mouse settings in the Windows search bar, open mouse settings, scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. Go to the pointer tab, choose your Windows scheme and choose a type of cursor you want. I usually keep it as normal. Click on save as and change the profile of the cursor. Just change it with a different scheme name. That would kind of reset it. Okay. The next solution is to update your mouse drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first one and select update drivers and update them. Right click on the second one, update drivers and update them. The last solution is to turn off fast startup. Now, how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Now, here's what you have to do. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Check the box associated with turn on fast startup. Click on save changes. That is it. It will solve your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.